Good morning. Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 31st, the last trading day of 2013, and grain markets were quiet overnight. The news is non-eventful. Expect some position evening here during today's session as we go into the last few trading hours. But just a recap of 2013, the corn market has seen a record drop in price in the spot cash markets anyway, from where they were a year ago to where they are today, about a 40% drop. Wheat close behind with a 23% drop in spot price value. Other markets that got hit hard this year have been gold and silver, as the inflation fears have gone away. So soybeans only about a 6% decline in price. The markets that seen the benefit have been hogs, cattle. Cash cattle actually set new highs last Friday, and there was a report of some cattle trading yesterday in Kansas, possibly as high as 137. So setting new highs for the year. What traders are going to be looking at here today and when we come back on January 2nd is this USDA report day of January 10th. There's 4 reports coming out. We've got the supply-demand report, we've got crop production, we've got grain stocks, and then we've also got winter wheat seedings that the trade will be trying to decide what kind of outlook we've got here for 2014 once we get these numbers. So, and we'll give you more details as we get a little closer, but those are some key factors that that traders will be thinking about here once they get back in full swing after the holiday. News out of South America: the weather continues to be ideal. The central part of the growing area, the high production area in Argentina has got some rain over the weekend, a few days of hot temperatures, and then some more rain is due to come in later this week. We are hearing some reports of bean harvest starting already in northern Brazil. We've not heard any yield on it yet, but that comes from some of that early planted soybeans that they've planted there. The livestock markets, again, cash cattle very strong. Cutout values yesterday jumped with choice beef up $2.72, select up $4.16. That certainly will be helpful in calculating the packer break even. There's talk that some cattle traded, a few cattle traded in Texas or in Kansas in yesterday afternoon, as high as 215 in the meat. So that was definitely a very positive way to end the year in the cash cattle trade. Our outlook for 2014 for cattle is still very positive. Pork, more of a neutral outlook, as it's going to be kind of caught in the middle between tighter cattle supplies and beef supplies that will be coming to the retail counter, and the increase in poultry, where chicken production is going to be up 3% year over year. So that could have the pork caught in the middle there, and we'll see some choppy prices as we go through the early part of 2014. Pork cutout values were up 78 cents yesterday. Expect quiet trade here today, although if somebody comes in with a large order, it could be a market mover. But still stay in touch with Allendale's research. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We want to wish everybody a very joyous and prosperous new year, and we look forward to working with you in 2014. Thank you very much. We'll see you next year.